Hey guys, this video is definitely probably not going to go up on my channel, but I feel like by me acting like it is going to motivate me more to clean my room, which is what I'm doing today. I already started and did a lot last night, but today I really need to finish it. I want to deep clean, organizing drawers, dusting and all of that. I already did this at my mom's house and now I'm doing it at my dad's before 2020 and everything. Just have a nice clean slate because clean room is clean, organized life. You guys know the vibe. So before anything, we are gonna open up the blinds because we love some sunlight, gets everybody all motivated. Oh, she is bright. It is actually 66 degrees outside and it's the middle of winter, so that's kind of crazy. Love that for Pennsylvania. And there we go. Nice and bright in here now. These are two bags that I made earlier. This is stuff that's getting thrown away because it's just gross old t-shirts that I'm not gonna wear anymore because I wore them too much. And then this is a big bag filled with clothes that I'm gonna give to this girl I know. Her name's also Allie and she's a few years younger than me, so this stuff will fit her because it doesn't fit me anymore. And there's some good stuff in there, so she will be excited. Kind of have this big mess on my floor right here I need to clean out. But I will show you, I organized these drawers yesterday. So here we have my long sleeve shirts and sweaters. This is my t-shirts, which I honestly have way too many t-shirts because of volleyball and mainly volleyball. Yeah, so that is overfilling. That's interesting. Here we have dresses, some fancy tops over here, and then jeans. So kind of random, but mostly dresses over here. And then this is nicer shirts, so not t-shirts, actual everyday nice short sleeve shirts. So there we have it. I organized all of that yesterday, and up here is my pajamas and underwears and bras, so I'm not going to show that, but we have it. Of course, gotta stay hydrated. The fact that I'm filming this right now and I'm not gonna upload it, what am I even doing with my life? I don't know. Maybe I will upload this just for fun. You never know. Also, this is currently an absolute mess right now and I need to clean that and also that. So, that's what's going on. This is a mess too. Yeah, it's a whole vibe. Also, side note, got bottom braces 2 days ago. Still hurts like crazy. It's really difficult to eat. I just had breakfast and it was rough. But I was gonna say, I don't think I'm gonna do a time lapse. I really just don't feel like it. But I'll update you guys as we go. Putting in my headphones. We are off to a not so good start. My best friend Sydney called me and distracted me for a solid 30 minutes. But gonna get back on track now. Here is the current situation. I organized all of these little drawer things because they were a mess. So this one we have pants. This one is off-season things like shorts and swimsuits. That has my period stuff in it, so we're not even gonna get into that. This one is work clothes and just random things that could get messed up. This is all of my bras, and this is all of my socks, which I organized into bins, so it's all sectioned off. So, doing that, I'm cleaning out these, and also gonna clean this, and I'm throwing out a ton of stuff. That's trash, that's trash. We've got a lot going on. Whoa, what is going on with the lighting? Hey guys! So I just took an hour break from cleaning because I just could not. I've been going for 3 hours, so I took a lunch break and stuff. Think we're gonna get back to it. I don't want to stop and wait till tomorrow to finish. I really don't. I just want it done today. So we're gonna push through. Current situation. I just wiped this off and it looks so much better because I have all these candles here and I light them, obviously, and all the black waxy stuff was all over this white dresser, so it looks so much better now. It cleaned off really nicely. I was kind of worried about it, but we're good. Also, as I'm cleaning, I've been listening to music and watching YouTube videos and getting caught up on them, so that's great. really making progress. I am just about done. That is a random pair of socks. That needs to go. But I did write my calendar in, like the whole January month, and this date is starred because that's my grandma's birthday and my best friend Joelle's birthday. So there is that. My whole desk area is done. I cannot stand orange lighting, so we need to fix this. Honestly, this isn't much better, but like I just can't stand orange lighting. Okay, so here we have it all decluttered. I took out a bunch of stuffed animals and stuff, and I think it just looks a lot more mature for my age. And also I have this like pink, what is this, dust? It's so dusty in here even though I just dusted it. I have this pink lamp that I've had in my room for literally years, and it's just been like sitting right there and I haven't used it. Like I've had the lamp since I was a child, but it's been like sitting there not used for a few years, and I finally took it out. So we're just like making big moves. You know what? Becoming an adult. Guys, you have no freaking idea. I finally finished. It is literally 5:16 p.m. I started at like noon. Absolutely ridiculous. And I did it for 2 hours yesterday. So it took me about 7 hours to do this deep clean. Love that for me. Okay, so here is an overview of my room. Dang it. I just realized I didn't clean that mirror, so that kind of stinks. But this is this whole thing. All those drawers are organized. This is my book bag and some gifts, so I can't really like move those anywhere else because like they need to stay there for now. These are all of my shoes, my jackets, just some decorations there. Here we have like my headboard and my bed. That's my outfit for after I get out of the shower in a few minutes here, so that's why I have that sitting there. Here's my blanket. Oh, and this is also some jewelry I took off while I was cleaning. Then move over here. This is my bag because I travel weekly from my mom to my dad's, like I guess bi-weekly. So that's like my travel stuff. Here's my desk. Probably the most progress from like what looks like the most progress, not like actual like deep clean, but just cleaning off the top makes it look so much nicer. This is all of my candy. Most of it I got for Christmas, so that's exciting. That's my calendar. Then we have my bean bag. This is like new clothes I got for Christmas that I don't want to forget about and I want to try on soon, so I have that there. That's my volleyball bag. This is random stuff that needs to go to my mom's house that I found here. That's my hamper. Here's my dresser and the top of that. And then my tapestry. And then also this door needs repainted very badly. Here we have my bag of stuff I am giving to this like younger girl. I forget how old she is, but she's definitely like 4 or 5 years younger than me at least. So all of that should fit her really nicely. Huge bag of stuff for her, and I feel a lot better having that go to someone that will wear them opposed to me. I have like so much clothes and I'm not gonna wear these anymore because they don't fit right, or I just don't like them as much as she could. So there's that. Not even gonna lie, I'm low-key considering like editing this video and uploading it because I feel like it's kind of entertaining and just a cool video, and I really want to upload some content because I haven't in a while. So we'll see. This might go on YouTube, and if so, what's up guys? Definitely subscribe for more videos from me. I'm really excited for 2020. New year, new me. Not really. I hate that because I'm really gonna ramble, but like everybody always like comes up with their New Year's resolutions, and then after January they're just over it and they just go back to their old ways. But I like to change throughout the years, so not really like new year, new me, but just like a new year full of memories, good vibes, bad vibes, like everything. So I'm excited for another year and a new decade, even though I'm sad to leave my childhood, but we don't gotta go into it. This is not a TED Talk. That made no sense. Okay. Also, it's really hard to edit clips whenever I film videos from my phone, so this will be interesting if I have to try to edit this and get it uploaded. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it entertaining. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below any requests you have for videos you want me to make in 2020. And I love you all. Have a fantastic day, and I hope that this motivated you to clean your room. If you're sitting in your bed right now watching this and you want to clean your room but don't have the motivation, get up and do it. Just do it. Just do it. Okay. Bye.